place to park a motorbike, isn't it?
Yeah. Making friends wherever he goes.
Yeah, I told I'll arrange for it to be taken out tomorrow. Yeah, I used to be in charge of £3 million or whatever of student accommodation portfolio.
Yeah. I'll just antagonise
There's
it.
no parking there. Can't you see his fucking cones? Are you gonna go straight into the
What?
What?
Under pressure. Can we say it again?
This is a good one, isn't it? Yeah, third time lucky. There we go. Go on. No, go on, just smash it out the way. Go on, just smash it up. It's only a brand new car. Reginald Mell, husband, visits West Kirby. He's only gone to buy a piece of rope for his boat. He's done 200 quid worth of damage to the bumper.
£2 rope, £200 damage.
New bumper required. Oh, Pete's taking all the best parking spaces. Little man,